My beautiful and amazing people, hey, hey, wonders they say it shall never end. Oh. Where una dey, make una come out to make una come hear matter. Yeah. Ipa don start another segment and another dimension. Eh? Every day, different story, different matter. Even when we thought, since him and this said celebrity, this our popular Nollywood actress say they don dey together now. Ipa go move on, e go leave our Reji alone so that im go fit see front. We no know talk say omo the man no wan gree o. Na now we come dey hear information about the reason wey make am dey drag Mike Ezeronyi legelege like I pass my neighbor generator. According to the information, we na know talk say no be today na Mike Ezeronyi don dey talk am say Reji na im sister. In short, dem dey related in a way, and that on a normal day, ademi im born quick, im for born person like Reji. But Ipa bin come dey accuse am, dey tell am some kind things and things, saying that Regina wey be im cousin, im come dey do tiniwana, dey go close to her, dey do closing body on top of say they go dey shout say na movie, say na still im wife no matter what. If they dey do their movie, make dem carry am go another place go do am. Why must they do touching body? Say shebi other artists dey, other celebrities dey wey be say if dem marry, whether they don comot for marriage or they still dey for marriage they dey respect theirself. How come the Reji no fit respect herself? And him wey come say dem dey related, him go come dey touch her like that. Say wait oh, if na im pikin, he go fit touch her like that, this and that. Now we dey think say na that one be im problem. Na now we come dey hear wetin happen oh. Una know say when they do Regina Daniel children carnival, wey her ex bestie wey dey call am Somadina Adima, when he came to that particular occasion, people were shocked. People were surprised that so these two people, they don't come back together. So these two people, they don't come back to be friends again after everything, after 7 good years wey they went their separate ways. We be say Ipa no allow them to even see each other, not to come talk of say they come together. Since ever when they come do My First Love, that movie, since when they do that My First Love, where the movie come trend, everybody come they say na Reji life story, na this, na that. Hey, she just express herself finish for that movie. Na the story of her life. As the movie start the trend, na Ipa provocate. He say no, Reji no go act any film again with Somadima, according to the information. Now they say wetin really dey crack Ipa head, wey make am go dey drag Mike Ezeronyi legelege like I pass my neighbor generator, na because of say Mike Ezeronyi wan produce another movie where he wan feature the Reji bestie wey they dey call Somadima Adima, and also Reji will also be part of it, and it's going to be a love movie. I no come know who carry the information go tell Ipa say they plan for something like this and they have distributed scripts. They don dey work on am. Any moment from now, they go produce the movie. Now in one come start dey drag Mike Ezeronyi, so that by the time wey in drag am, the whole matter go cast, everywhere go burst. Im go come now say he no go use Reji again because of how Ipa take dey do with am, or because of say Ipa wan carry, you know say any small thing Ipa own na to carry police come arrest you. Whether you dey Sokoto, e go carry private jet come carry you for where you dey, come where in dey. You understand? So you wan use that method take do with Mike Ezeronyi, so that at the end of the day, e go come be say na him go come dey beg. He go come say abeg o, he no get hand for Reji matter o, him don comot him hand o. But he no know talk say everybody arrange himself ready, dey wait for am, say anyhow wey you take dish am come, na we go take dish am give you. Reji don come out, she don come talk say she is ready for business and it is pure business despite say dem dey related no mean say na free work na im the girl go still come do for am. And even the Somadima Adima no be free work im dey come do for am, and na movie na im dey act to entertain their audience. So nothing wey anybody wan tell am wey im go hear. So anyhow wey dem take drag the matter go, drag the matter come, im must definitely do things with Reji. Na as im come kukuma come scatter the table, come write am say anything wey dem like make dem talk, im post him and Regina picture. E come write am for the caption say anything that they like, let them do. We are going to work together because we are doing the same thing and we are in the same field and we are now belonging to one family together forever. Omo, na there matter scatter. Meaning anyhow wey Ipa wan do, whether im go jehe or im go sowe, the relationship has come to stand and e must stay. If im tire to stand, make im try sit down go warm eba chop. Say na man im be, im don try. Imagine say Reji know Ipa when he was 40 years or 30 years. How would this man be? Omo, when dem talk say spiritual husband, I was thinking say na for dream na im dey dey. I no know to say some of them don dey comot for dream o. E be like say some women no dey gree sleep again. They don comot for dream come real life, come dey fire person for real life. And for talk am say na today im know Mike Ezeronye, na today na im know talk say Reji and Mike Ezeronye dem dey related. Why im come dey fire Mike Ezeronye, dey follow am bumper to bumper like this, not knowing say na because of Somadima wey dey come na im make im wan come scatter the table. E wan use strategy, e wan use sense, so that by the time wey im dey drag the Mike Ezeronye, only him go come tell himself say abeg Reji, no worry, I go look for someone else. Your estranged husband dey give me talk and I no get strength for him talk. Mo just forget am. But he no know say the more wey im drag the matter, the more wey im stress the matter, the more their relationship dey strong, the more they dey stand. Na im dey say e call all of them, say who be that person wey go tell Ipa say they get location set and he don call so person. All of them dey say no be them o, no be them o. But you know say truth no go ever come out. They no go ever gree talk wetin really dey sup. Nobody go gree say na him talk am because the person know the implication of it all. But anyhow wey e take be, they say they must definitely go shoot the film and e must come out. No be the one wey be say Reji do with Maurice Sam, wey be say Ipa use mouth nearly finish them that time, wey Maurice Sam go re-edit the movie. Say because Ipa is not happy with the outcome of it. Say he is not okay. Say why would his wife be in a film like this? That is why they always dey ask make dem give am script first, make him go through scripting before the Reji go appear for your set during the time wey she dey for im house. Na the rules and regulation wey im bin get o, wey make some people say the one wey be say they will dey go through, thank you, go through very much just to feature the Reji. Better make they feature others. No be by force say they must feature the Regina. Wey make dem leave her alone. Wey be say na some certain people still dey pressurize, still dey push. Say before she go come your set, you must send script to the husband. The husband go go through the script. If it's okay by him, he go allow her come. If it is not okay, she will not come to your location set. Because if she even to talk, he go ask her, how much do they want to pay you? He go transfer her the money. And you know, say, money, they say, is the root of all evil. Before you know, she go talk, say, after all, na stress. She dey go there, go stress. We make her come out one certain time like that for national television, saying that even this acting, which she dey act so, na just for the passion, not for the money. Because sometimes the money wey they even give herself before she leave location set, she dey mostly dey dash out all the money before she left. So she's not even doing it because of the money. She's doing it because of the passion she have for the acting. Because anytime we be say if Ipa no gree make she go, if she won't lament, she won't complain, Ipa go send her the money. She go sit down for house, they enjoy her life. But because she already have passion for it, that's why she is pushing all day long that she must act the film, whether they like it or not, whether devil likes it or not, she must do am because that is what she is known to do and that is what she is being born to do. So she will never leave it. And na one of the things wey really give Ipa fame that time, na im be that. So my people, I say he. So na so dey do for here. So na because of the information say some Adima dey come there, na im make Ipa im strategy don scatter finish o, im secret don expose. Long awaiting secret na be this one wey don expose. Dem don dey know im strategy small small. Yes, so people wey never know am before, dem don dey know am now say na how im dey take capture people. By the time wey be say you no understand na that kind thing, im go come say no, Reji don't worry, let's cancel it. These are that kind thing. Let's allow it to cool first before you know they will cancel am or they will look for another person wey go come play the role. Before you know, na im dey say lie o. Na that time they even don move and come back say na so time na im dey go do am. Make anything wey wan happen, make it happen. My people, na the matter be this o. I say make I come drop am for una as e dey hot. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist. Na me dey bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.